Welcome friends, my name is Chef Maria with Chosen Foods, and today we're gonna be making shrimp tacos with our dressing and marinade Chipotle Ranch. Let's get to it. I'm gonna start by chopping up some green onions. I have here a few branches of them. So the beautiful thing about green onions is that it is a light, kind of like more tender version of an onion. We're gonna cut off the end part of the green onion and just start by cutting some small rounds of them. Green onions is one of my favorite things to have handy in my fridge at all times because you can add it everywhere, and they add a nice little touch of onion, but in a milder way. So this is gonna go straight in our saute pan along with our shrimp and that touch of Chipotle Ranch Dressing and Marinade. The beautiful thing about our dressings and marinades is that you can absolutely cook with them, saute, grill, you name it. We also make some beautiful chicken wings with our Chipotle Ranch dressing, so it's awesome everywhere. We have our green onions ready to go. We'll put them in our bowl next to our station so everything's ready to go. Our pan is nice and hot. You always want to make sure you season your shrimp really well. It's part of the success. We got you on the flavor with the dressing, but it needs a little touch of salt and pepper. We have our pan nice and hot here. We're gonna grab our avocado oil and do a drizzle. I have the pan at medium to high heat. That's the best way to cook any type of protein. So we'll allow our pan to heat up and gently throw our shrimp in there. We're gonna give them a little toss. You can already start seeing how the shrimp changes color, so they are done pretty fast. And you don't want to overcook your shrimp, so they're nice and juicy. Beautiful. We'll give them a little flip. Perfecto. One more. Beautiful. Perfect. We're gonna add our green onion to the pan. These will start cooking along with the shrimp. Perfecto. Make sure you hear that beautiful sizzle. We're gonna add some of our Chipotle Ranch dressing to add that beautiful flavor. It's nice and smoky, so we did a blend of chipotle, a little bit of smoked paprika, all ingredients you love and recognize. So we'll give this a quick toss to make sure all the shrimp are covered in our beautiful dressing and marinade. It smells delicious. Awesome. So our shrimp is cooking up a little bit there. Meanwhile, we're gonna chop some cilantro. Cilantro, you can really use the whole thing. I typically just cut off part of the stems, but we'll just chop down roughly the tops and snap the stems and give it a quick chop. Just to give it a nice little fresh touch at the end. Perfecto. Nice. So I have here some jicama slices. They are an amazing option for you at home. I'm gonna put a couple in here. Our shrimp are nice and ready. I'm gonna add about 3 shrimp per taco. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. Perfecto. And we'll add a touch of cilantro. And last but not least, a little slice of avocado. Perfecto. So avocado is king. We really do love our avocados. Awesome. Basically, this is it, my friends. We have here another version of our shrimp tacos made with the Chipotle Ranch Dressing and Marinade, all made with avocado oil. You can find these products at Amazon.com, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.